Hello everyone, greetings. Nokrek IT Institute is unique in IT training industry where you can become an IT expert in just 2 to 4 months and make a living entirely online from anywhere in the world. We provide 24/7 services completely online. We teach understanding technology for teachers and parents, software development with freelancing, digital marketing with freelancing, graphic design with freelancing. Understanding technology is especially made for teachers and parents, but students can also join the program. You will learn HTML, CSS, JavaScript, Git, GitHub, web programming with Python, basic graphic design, digital marketing, and a lot more. Software Development Bootcamp will teach you basic full-stack software development from scratch. You will become a master in software development in just 4 to 6 months. You will become an expert freelancer even before completing the course. If you are planning to work from home, you can learn graphic design and digital marketing and make your living completely online from anywhere in the world. And don't worry, experience is not necessary. As long as you have a computer with internet connection, then you can join from anywhere in the world. For more details, call now at 8801-9245-354 or email us at WeSocialYourBrand@gmail.com.